I'm now going to show you how to format a box. So here we have case example 3.1, which is a box. There's one key piece of formatting to do for all boxes, and this involves using the Sage container tag style found here helpfully in red. So think of a box as containing content, and the container tags indicate where the start and end of this container is. So in every single box, we want to tag the begin box and end box in this Sage container tag. And this is the same with any pedagogical element that has these features. We would use the container tags. So for example, begin key terms box or begin table of contents would be in the container tags. So here we're going to put the begin case example 3.1, scroll down and find the end case example 3.1 in the container tags. There's two more pieces of formatting to remember in a box, the number and the title. So each box should have a number on a separate line. So here we have 3.1, as this is the first case example in chapter 3. So we're going to put this into the Sage number style. And here we have the title. So we have the type of feature it is, the case example, and also the specific title. And we put this all in the Sage title style. Now, if we had a subtitle underneath this, we would use the Sage subtitle style. We don't have one here.